Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's JD and thank you for joining me this week. I've got a new product that I bought a while ago that I haven't done a review on. It's the beard straightener that was really popular online like a year ago. It's probably still very popular. It's the Mask by Jeff Chastain. This thing is pretty awesome. I reviewed another one that was just a random, I think it was just a hair straightener that they were marketing as a beard straightener on Amazon. It was pretty good. It did its job. The thing I didn't like about it was huge. It was absolutely huge. What I love about this thing is the size is just, it fits in your hand. It's really tiny. If you are a traveler, not that you're doing much traveling right now during COVID-19, hopefully. But if you are, this thing fits in a bag really well, and it does a really decent job at tackling kind of a curly, out of control beard, which mine is not right now, but I'm gonna use it anyway. This thing retails for $99, so it's kind of on the pricey side. There are discounts available that you can get from other more popular beard product reviewers on YouTube and various places online. So just do a search online and you'll find some discount codes. I believe for like Christmas, he also usually runs a special. Now the one I have is the corded version. There's also a wireless version now. I don't know if it's rechargeable or not, but that would make sense because you wouldn't want to be shoving batteries in this all the time. But yeah, the rechargeable version sounds like a really awesome deal as well, because right now I'm tethered to a wall outlet and this is as far as I can go. If you're in a bathroom using this, obviously that's not going to be a problem. Your outlet is probably right beside your sink, so not a big deal. And I'm pretty sure the other one costs more. So let's get straightening. There's one button. I think you just press it and hold it, and it turns this on. Yep, you'll get a flashing, and I think it turns solid when it's ready. So let's wait. This takes like a minute or two, I think, and I'll be right back with using the sucker. All right, so here it is. It's all heated up. That took exactly 3 minutes to heat up from cold to ready to go. So this is what the teeth look like on the beard straightener, and this is actually the Kushelbar. I don't know if you can see the name on there. The Kushelbar by Jeff Chastain. Have a clean beard before you use this. If you've used beard balms or oils or anything that are in your beard right now, I would definitely go and wash all that stuff off, because this is going to heat them up, and I can't imagine that like heating up oil on your beard is probably that good for your beard. Who knows what it does during the heating process, so just go with a clean beard first, and probably best practice. I don't know if it actually says that, but that's my hint for this one. So I had a shower. Mine is, I did not brush this out at all, so it's just au naturel, and as you can see, it does a really good job at straightening everything out and lining everything up. It gets really hot. There's no settings that you can set on this one. It's just one and done, which I would assume is kind of the optimal temperature for this. There. So 3 minutes to heat up. It took me all of like a minute to use it, and then I'm done. You just press and hold it and it will turn off, and then you're done. Let this cool down, unplug it before putting it away. So there you go. It's all straight now. Definitely easier to manage. Actually, this would be a good time to come in and do some trimming with some scissors, because I can tell it's a bit longer here. So maybe I'll do that before I put product in. But yeah, that's my that's how you use it. It's pretty easy. Great product. I love this. I've been using it for a while now. I put it in a travel bag late last year when I was traveling around. Fantastic. Took it to Asia. Not a problem in Singapore or Shanghai when I was over there as well. So great product. Just make sure you bring an adapter. Yeah, the price can be a little out of reach for most people, especially when you can find a cheap beard straightener online on Amazon or other places for like $29. But I mean, you are supporting a small business, a fellow beardsman, and it's actually a really great product. So the quality is fantastic. It feels substantial. It feels heavy enough. It's also small, which I really, really like. And yeah, overall a great product. So it's definitely recommended by, if you can find a discount code online, which usually brings it down to like $79. I think there's usually like a $20 off coupon that you can find in various places. So yeah, good Christmas gift idea too, since we're coming to the holidays for 2020. If there is a bearded fella in your life, this is a great, easy gift to get someone. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment, and I will do my best to respond back immediately.